Good morning, everyone. I'm back here at the shop. I was here yesterday, but I built my main box. I totally forgot to film. I just got in the zone and built it today. I want to cut down all my wood and make the pocket hole so I can make my smaller drawer and maybe attach the drawer sides today. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Well, now I got all my pieces cut. I got the pocket holes. I just need to assemble a drawer, and it shouldn't be too bad. I picked up these nifty corner clamps. They help my life out quite a bit when I'm putting together these things, so they're somewhat straight. And I need glue. There we go, some glue. All right, I'll see you in a bit. I'm gonna put this together. Hey everyone, I just did some Inverter on this. I have to wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna do probably, I think I'm going for 2 coats, but I'm gonna decide when it's dry. All right, I'll be back. Well, I totally forgot to turn on the camera. I cut my board for my platform bed and the storage. Now these are all dried and stained. I'm going to put some polyurethane on it so they don't get banged up too much. Hey everyone, so I'm getting pretty close to finishing up everything. I'm just putting down the little, they're nylon-like things. I use them as a slide. They work actually really good. I recycled them out of my last truck box, and honestly, it was pretty good. So I'm gonna put those back in, and then I think by then the polyurethane should be finished on my drawer fronts. And then I'm hoping to install those before the end of the day. And then I've got a few little touch-up things to do after that. But other than that, yeah, yeah, I don't know. I hate making these videos because, well, well, I like it, but I just find myself getting too focused on my work and then I ignore the camera. All right, I'll see you in a bit. Well, I'm done for the day. I got my drawers installed. I got my handles installed. I should be done the next time I'm here, I'm hoping, and then my inaugural camping trip, which I'm pretty excited about. Really sorry about the content. I get so focused on building this thing that I forget about the camera. My bad. I'll try to get better. All right, have a good one. Can you do me a favor? I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so please like and subscribe below. That'd be awesome. Thank you. Bye.